You will never sell your Shib tokens again after watching this movie. Shiba Inu news for today. Last year, the value of the Shiba Inu meme coin went up by an amazing 45 million%. This made it one of the most watched cryptocurrencies in the world. Shiba has done wrong since then, though. Because it is down 70% this year, investors aren't sure if it will be able to get back to where it was. Shiba Inu is expected to give more now than it did when it was at the top of its game. A Layer 2 scalability answer is also being worked on, and the cryptocurrency is making progress in the metaverse. After watching this movie, you'll never sell your Shib tokens again. This video will talk about it. Shiba Inu news for today. Hello and welcome to Wealthy Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. This is the place for you. If you want to know about all the latest news and predictions in the crypto business and are interested in anything that has to do with Shiba, sign up to get more Shib stories. Make sure you click like. Shiba Inu was created as a test case for creating a society without any planning. Based on its white paper, and so far it has been successful in reaching that goal. Shib Army is a group of supporters of the token who have posted about it on social media. They have been very helpful in its growth. Forks are built on the Ethereum blockchain. There's a coin called Shiba Inu that you can stake to make passive income or use to pay at a few stores. Shiba Inu is gaining strength and becoming a more stable coin than it was before. Shibarium is being made as a Layer 2 scaling option. Layer 2 hasn't come out yet, but once it does, prices should go down and transaction times should get faster. This is very helpful for readers. Shiba Inu has also been getting a metaverse. This lets you buy pieces of land with the goal of building a whole virtual neighborhood. Shiba Inu will finally sell more than 100,000 units, and in the first phase, about 32,000 plots are already available. Shiba Inu will be a stronger force once Shibarium and the Metaverse project are fully up and running than it was in 2021, when it made big strides. Shiba Inu doesn't stand out from the other dogs, though, not even with these efforts. So, this coin doesn't seem like it should take off. Even worse is the fact that $549 trillion worth of Shiba Inu tokens are now being used. So, the value of the Shiba Inu's market would go through the roof, and it went from being worth a part of a cent to $1. Then it would be worth $549 trillion on the stock market. That does better than the whole Bitcoin market and well-known companies like Apple. Shiba Inu efforts to burn are not enough to fix this problem. Many experts have tried to find a reason for the Shiba Inu's amazing growth, but no one has come up with a satisfactory answer. Some people believe that Shiba Inu's blockchain technology is better than its competitors because it is safer and transactions happen faster. Some say that all the fuss about joke currencies at the time was to blame, but no one can really say for sure why this cryptocurrency was such a big hit. We only know that Shiba Inu made a lot of noise during its short but memorable life. Even after it dies, its memory will live on. Shiba Inu has been hit by long sell-offs in 2022, which is in line with the general trend of the market. Even though there were no signs of a possible bullish cause coming up soon, people in the Shib community kept betting that the token would end the year strongly by December 31, 2022. The Shib community on CoinMarketCap thinks the token will be worth an average of 11 cents. This would be a 17.53% increase from the price of the asset at the time of writing. Finbold got the information on November 12th, and the estimates come from votes from 2924 people who used the price estimate tool. It's interesting that community members' bets happen at the same time that Shib's ownership is growing. This shows that buyers still think the token will go up in value and maybe even return to its 2021 highs. Shib has been steadily adding to its property in this area. There were $1,243,497 worth as of November 11th. There is a rise of $37,225, or 3, for the holders. In the 3 months before, Shib's technical research is still not good. The liquidity crisis on the FTX cryptocurrency market has started to have an effect on the decentralized finance token. Indeed, the moving averages point to a strong sell at 13. At 14, the technical line will tell you to sell, and at 9, the oscillators on the daily gauges won't do anything. Shib has lost more than 23% of its value in the last week. It is now worth 96 cents, down from 97 cents last week. Less than 1% of the asset's gains come from making money. It's important to remember that Shib recently got some comfort when Elon Musk bought Twitter, one of the biggest social media sites. Of note, Musk's purchase of Twitter led to a short-term boom for cryptocurrencies with dark themes, such as Dogecoin and Shib. It looks like the traders still like this Shib. In this case, it was found that 20% of the $2.9 billion in assets that the Bitcoin exchange Crypto.com holds in reserve are Shib's. Notably, the platform shared the results at a time when crypto companies were under a lot of pressure to show that they had reserves because of FTX's liquidity crisis. The overall prospects for the assets rely a lot on how the prices of all cryptocurrencies move in order for Shib to make big gains. Rich Shiba Inu investors are selling hundreds of billions of tokens, even though the cryptocurrency market is in a lot of trouble. According to data from the Ethereum analytics site Etherscan, cryptocurrency whales moved $877 billion Shib tokens worth $7.8 million in a series of deals. These claims come from the Shiba Inu burn project Shiba Play. On November 2, when it was worth 13 cents, the 14th most valuable coin by market capitalization. The first transaction, worth $202,438, $224,938, happened on November 6. The second transaction, worth $190 million Shib from crypto exchange Crypto.com happened on November 7. The value of the digital currency hit a high point for the day of 13 cents during this exchange. The 7th of November. When the third and biggest of the three transactions began, wallets from the cryptocurrency market, Shib was trading at a high of 12 cents. Wallet Binance, one of the tokens worth $485,794,498 and 147 cents was sent by the whale. Since then, Shiba Inus have had a hard time, and cryptocurrency prices have been going down in general. Shib is now worth 10 cents, which is 73% less than it was yesterday. The problems that the cryptocurrency exchange FTX is having since it signed a possible deal with Binance for Binance to buy FT.com have happened at the same time as the market drop. The FTT token lost almost 68% of its all-time high after FTX said it had liquidity issues. The exchange's native token is now trading for $4.79, which is 93% less than its